Hey, today I'll show you 3 best apps which you can use to watch adult content for free on your Amazon Fire TV stick or Android TV. First of all, you need to get an app called Downloader. There is a really high chance you already have it on your device. In that case, you can just skip to the next part of the video where I will be actually discussing the 3 best apps and how to download them. But in case if you don't have a downloader yet or you're not sure how to properly set it up, then watch this part of the video as well. So to get a downloader, we'll have to go to search on your Fire TV stick and start typing downloader here. As you can see now, it popped out here at the bottom. If it didn't in your case, then just type in the whole name of the app, which is once again downloader, and then click on it. And here's the application which you need to download and install. Once again, it's totally free and you can download it from official Amazon App Store. But after we got the app, that's not it. We still have to set it up in the settings. To do so, press on that gear icon on the right side. Then go to My Fire TV. And there you have to enable developer options for your downloader. However, there is a chance that after you open the settings, you won't see the developer options in My Fire TV. But do not worry in that case. For some reason, Amazon hides those options on some of the devices, but it's really easy to make them visible. To do so, we have to go to About, click on it, then select Fire TV Stick and press on the middle button on your remote 7 times and do it fast. Let's do it. As you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer, but in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you just go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options, so they are going to appear here. Now you click on them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, of course. Then we go to install unknown apps, find the downloader app here, and once again, enable this option for the downloader. So what it does, it allows us to install other applications from the internet now, and not necessarily from the official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do now. So we got the downloader set up and ready to use, but there's one thing which I really recommend doing before accessing downloader. To be transparent, it's not mandatory, but I really recommend doing it. It's of course connecting to a VPN. There's a lot of different VPNs out there, but I do recommend NordVPN because they're fast. They got a great app for Firesticks and other devices as well, such as your mobile phones, your laptop, PC, or any other device. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. So what a VPN does, it hides all the things that you do online. So your landlord or your internet provider will not be able to tell what apps, what websites you're accessing online. And that really comes in handy, especially if you're accessing adult apps, like we're going to today. NordVPN is also great for blocking apps, blocking malware, especially when downloading files, and accessing geo-blocked content. So if some content is not available in your country, you can just open VPN, connect to a different location, and you will be able to access that content now. So if you want to get a VPN, you can use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video. If you use my link, you'll get 1 month of NordVPN totally for free, which is a great deal. Once again, using a VPN is not mandatory, but it's a big plus if you don't want your internet provider or your landlord to know what you're doing. After we got a VPN up and running, we can finally start using the downloader. So open the app. Then you'll see a search bar here. And for the first app of today, we're going to type this. You can see the website address on the screen. I'm not going to pronounce it because, well, YouTube may not like it. But of course, you should be able to see it perfectly here. So just use that address, type it in your search bar, and the website is going to open. After you click on go, of course. After you open the website, you have to scroll down a bit until you see that download APK button. Here, click on it. The download process is starting. Now we have to click on install in the right bottom corner. And after the app is installed, do not press on open yet. Instead, click on done. And here you'll see an option to delete the installation file of this app. I recommend always deleting those installation files because you don't need them anymore, and they are clogging the memory of your Firestick, which we really do not want to do. So for all applications that we're going to download today, we will delete those installation files after the installation is finished. So we just downloaded the first app. There it is right here in our app list. I can't really show you what's inside on camera because YouTube would definitely block the video, so it's better if you do it yourself. Though for that app, I do also recommend getting a mouse toggle, so it would be easier for you to actually navigate the app. So here's the app for mouse toggle. So if you set up a mouse toggle for your Firestick, you'll get such a mouse cursor, which you can use to better navigate the app and select different media files. If you already have a mouse toggle on your Firestick, that's great. But if you don't, that's fine as well. I'll leave a link to a tutorial in the description of this video, which you can use later to set up a mouse toggle for your Fire TV. Now we're going to get a second app of the day. Here I am typing the address. Take a look at the screen. I'm once again not pronouncing the name of the website or the app because YouTube does not like it. So just type in the same address and click on Go. Such a blue website is going to open and you'll see a link to download the official app. Click on it, and now the process is the same as for the first app. And after installation is finished, we just click on the Done button to delete the installation file. Delete and delete. And now we got that second app of today, which you can use to watch adult content on your Firestick for free. And now the time has come for a third app of the day. This time we are using a code because the app doesn't have an official website which we can use, so we'll be using a firetvsticks.com website for that. Type in the code and press on Go. After that, a website is going to open. There you'll see apps of different categories, so just go to the very bottom of the categories and you'll see XXX adult here. That's exactly what we're looking for. Click on it, and then a huge list of different apps is going to open, but the one we're looking for today is right here. Once again, I'm not pronouncing the name of the app because of how it sounds and how YouTube does not like it. You see it on the screen and just click on it. Then you'll probably get an ad here, which you definitely should close, because if you press on open, you're going to mess everything up. So click on close. After that, a new web page is going to open. We'll have to scroll down and keep scrolling until you see that download Fire TV/Android TV button. You can use that button to download the app. If for some reason the button doesn't work, at the bottom you will see a backup download. So in case of any problems, you just gotta click on backup. Click on install once again. As usually, we press on done and of course delete the installation file. Now go to the list of your apps, and here's the third app which we just downloaded. Now you can enjoy watching those free adult apps on your Fire Sticks, but do not forget to use a VPN to protect your data and privacy. Good luck!